In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Capital One app login problem. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also try switching networks or even turning mobile airplane mode on and off. The second thing you want to do is verify your username and password, because generally it could be a problem because cap lock is also supposed to be off, and the usernames are also case sensitive. If it doesn't work, simply click on forgot username or password and follow the steps to reset your password. Make sure that your application is always up to date, and if that is not the case, you might need to go ahead and clear cache if you're on an Android. You can also go ahead and head into downdetector.com and check if Capital One servers are up. If none of it works, then try restarting or a different browser or even reinstalling the app. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.